Welcome back to Photos with Yanni. I hid the coffee maker behind me, but in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how to edit a picture of the moon that I've taken. As always, we're going to do the editing on an iPad. So, the very first thing that we're going to talk about is this picture was taken with a Canon T7 Rebel 75-300 lens, 1/160, aperture f11, ISO 100. If you follow my video, which I'm going to link below, on how to take pictures of the moon, this is how you get it. So, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to crop the crap out of it. So, starting off, let's crop it 5x4, which is the Instagram norm. And here we go. I got our pretty moon into focus. Now this was taken just with a 75-300 lens, so it's not that bad. Make it just a little bit bigger, just a little bit bigger. Alright. Cropped. After it's cropped, we're gonna go into the magic of editing. So the very first thing that I like to do is, first off, make sure that my optics are right. Remove the chromatic aberration, enable lens corrections. Then, from the get-go, I'm going to go into the effects, texture, clarity, a little bit of dehaze, just a little bit of dehaze. It looks good, but it's not as good, as detailed as I want it to be. So, I like my moons to be a little bit more dramatic, a little bit increase the contrast, get my shadows down, get my darks really defined. And if you can see around here, there's a little green hue. That's because of the lens has chromatic aberration. So we're going to go ahead and turn the saturation down of the green completely. Back into color. Do you want your moon warm? I prefer a cooler moon, a more neutral moon. So this is the very first step of editing that I do. As soon as I'm done with that, I go back and I create a little layer. Circle layer mask, make it just a little bit bigger, because now I'm going to go ahead and give it even more texture and even more clarity, even more drama for dehazing. I'm going to go back into the contrast, make it even more contrasted. So now look how it was. How we got it. We got a very well-defined moon. And that's it. That's how you edit the moon. Remember that video that I showed you how to shoot the moon? This is how we're going to edit it. It's really easy. This is going to be short, a segment of these videos that we say, maybe like a 2 or 3 minute training video. I'm going to sprinkle those along. And this is how you edit the moon. If you guys like what you see, follow, like, share. I'm going to drop below the people who have influenced me. I hope to see you at the next tutorial. Thanks.